What's up guys, good morning. It's been a long time since I've uploaded another video to the channel, but here we are. Today we are going to be installing my IRL 3-inch Catless Downpipes. We are going to be installing my R44 Performance carbon fiber ducktail spoiler, and we are also going to install the IND amber reflectors, because right now they're orange. I got them black. I was thinking about getting purple, but the purples that I saw really didn't match the Techno Violet, and I think you could do a custom one, but who knows how close you can get paint to match, you know, from Techno Violet, from actual factory. So I was like, I'll just do black to match my tint, match some of the carbon fiber, match my my brake calipers. So that's what we're doing today. It's pretty early, so I came to get some coffee to get the day started. We're gonna go to the mechanic shop, install all the parts there. And right now I have the IRL catback exhaust system, which I believe is the V1. It's discontinued, but now they have the V2. So with the IRL catback exhaust and the IRL downpipes, this thing's gonna sound ridiculous. I cannot wait. Drop down in the comments what you guys want to see, what you guys think of the car. But let's get it. It's gonna be an amazing day, an amazing Saturday. Let's get to it. I don't know if you could hear me right because the microphone actually doesn't have the foam on it. I lost it, so I forgot about that. I have to get a new microphone, so hopefully it sounds good. You already know I got them Pumas on deck. Ain't no other option, bro. There you go. IRL downpipes right there. Some solid quality. Look at that. Ooh, look at that, so nice. I mean, right now the carbon fiber spoiler that's on that is just the OEM, but that's actually the one that I used to have on my F80 M3, and now they come on the G80 M3s. So it's nice, but it's kind of small because the G80 is just a lengthier body. So with this one, I feel like it's gonna be way more aggressive. Yo, we just took off the plate. Oh my god. Look at that. That's wild. It's kind of heavy. Nothing too crazy, but it's doing its job, we could say that. Check out the new downpipes compared to the factory ones. Damn, these things are huge. It's gonna be so much room now. Woo. Look at this. Big difference. But check out the exhaust all the way from the back. Has the carbon fiber tips. And then the IRL catback exhaust V1. IRL plate. And then the downpipes, the new downpipes over here. Tell the color difference. These are brand new. Wow, they're tucked in there. Can't wait to hear this thing. It's gonna be stupid loud. It's gonna be so wicked. Yo, so check it out. The original OEM side reflectors have like 3M tape on them, which is weird. I thought it was just gonna be like two little clips, that they were just clip-ons, but they actually have tape. So these are the IND black ones. Way thinner. Alright guys, so we just installed the downpipes on the G80 M3. They are the IRL 3-inch Catless Downpipes to be cohesive with the IRL catback exhaust system that I have. Now, this video is pretty much just showing you guys clips and bits of what's going on, but it's not really a tutorial. If you want a tutorial, I would recommend going to KiesMotorsports. Those guys know exactly what they're doing, piece by piece, methodically. That's actual tutorial videos on their channel. I'd recommend going there. But I just thought I'd bring you guys along on this install, I guess, for the G80 M3. The only thing that's left is the carbon fiber spoiler, which is gonna go on here in a bit. Alright guys, so we just installed the downpipes. The car is literally sitting on the ground, just tweaking a couple of things here in the engine bay. But we are about to turn on the car and hear how it sounds for the first time. Can't wait to drive this thing and let it rip. And I really think it's gonna be super loud, but we'll see. Comment down below what you think about how it sounds once you do hear it. And man, whew, this thing's gonna be on a whole nother level now. I just can't wait to drive it. I just can't wait. Let's see how it sounds. Moment of truth. See how it sounds. This thing is gorgeous. Oh my God. You guys can catch it on the camera, but man, this thing sounds gorgeous. Everything's cohesive. The whole exhaust is cohesive right now. Everything IRL. Damn! Wow! I'm in love with this car all over again. I'm in love. And then the burbles, they're even way more intense now. The car's not even tuned yet. Oh my goodness. Wow. Damn. Let's check out some exhaust clips. This thing is insane. Oh my God.